we are going to present a new program, Chef a la Vista, and this is our jury.
Hello, my name is Yasmina. I love to cook cake.
Hello, my name is Lena, and hope you to have a good time.
And this is our contestant.
Hello, my name is Kadi and I have 11 years old. I live in Bella Vista. I love cook and help my mom. I come to win.
Hello, my name is Adama. I have 12 years old. I live in Bella Vista. I love ketchup and that will win.
To first test decoration and cake with. To first test decoration ingredients. You are with you.
You have 20 minutes to preparing the cake and want to cake and ingredients.
Yes, chef.
The 1 minute start at 3,
2,
1,
go!
Diğer de şu kalesi. Denar.
Two hours later.
You are in the 10 minute left.
Come on, girls.
Adama, what's your cookie name?
My cookie name is Viento Dorado.
What was your inspiration?
I'm friend for one thing. His name is El Niño que domó el viento.
Very good, Adama.
And Caddy, what's your cookie name?
My cake name is Rainbow Unicorn.
What's your real inspiration?
I'm inspired for the rainbow and I like the unicorns. Thank you.
It's delicious. Very good.
Thanks.
It's delicious.
Very good, Cali.
I have a very talent.
Thanks.
It's very perfect. It's very delicious.
Delicious. Very good, Adama.
You will win.
No, you will win. Yes, I should win.
And the Adama 7 points. Sorry.
Adama, you are in 9 points. The 9 points, Cali.
Yay, I am.
The winner is Cali. This is our check.
I congratulate you, Adama.